Hello, and welcome to Tranquility Tuesdays, where we create a space for calm in the midst of chaos. Today, we'll embark on a Yoga Nidra journey, a guided meditation designed to help you find deep relaxation and restore inner peace. Yoga Nidra, also known as yogic sleep, is a state of conscious rest where the body and mind can truly unwind. This practice is perfect for those looking to release stress and embrace stillness. So find a quiet place, get comfortable, and we'll begin. Begin by lying down comfortably on your back, your arms resting gently by your sides, with the palms facing upwards. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, allow your body to sink deeper into the surface beneath you. Feel the tension begin to melt away. With each breath, notice the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle rhythm that grounds you. Let go of any thoughts or worries. This is your time to be still, to be present, and to embrace the calm within. As we move through this Yoga Nidra session, simply listen to the sound of my voice and allow yourself to be guided. There's no need to try, just be here now. And as you settle into stillness, bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the air entering through your nostrils, cool and refreshing, and then leaving your body warm and relaxed. Allow your breath to flow naturally without any effort. Imagine with each exhale, you're releasing a bit of the chaos that's been swirling around you. Notice how the body softens and the mind begins to quieten. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, gentle light here, soft and soothing. Let this light begin to spread, moving down through your forehead, softening your eyes, relaxing your cheeks and your jaw. Feel the light traveling down your neck, easing any tension, spreading warmth across your shoulders, releasing any burdens you might be carrying. Let this light flow down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, bringing a sense of ease and comfort. Guide your awareness to your chest, noticing the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. Imagine the light pooling here, filling your heart space with a sense of calm and tranquility. As the light moves down through your abdomen, feel your belly soften and expand with each breath. Allow the light to continue down your legs, all the way to your toes, grounding you, connecting you to the earth below. With each exhale, release any residual tension, any lingering stress. Let it all go. And as the body relaxes, turn your awareness inwards. Picture a calm, serene place. It might be a quiet beach, a peaceful forest, or a cozy corner of your home. Whatever comes to mind, let yourself fully immerse in this place of peace. Notice the details, the colors, the textures, the sounds. Feel the sense of safety and comfort that this space brings. This is your sanctuary, a place untouched by the chaos of the outside world. Allow yourself to rest here, soaking in the tranquility. And now, as you rest in this place, imagine a gentle breeze passing through. This breeze represents change, the inevitable flow of life's ups and downs. Rather than resisting, allow the breeze to move through you. Let it carry away any chaotic thoughts, any worries or fears. Trust that just as the breeze comes and goes, so too does chaos. It's a temporary visitor, not a permanent resident. Focus on the sensation of ease that fills the space where chaos once was. Feel the lightness in your body, the clarity in your mind. Notice how even in the midst of change, you can still find calm. This calmness is always within you, waiting to be tapped into. It's a quiet center, a still point in the storm, And you don't have to chase it. It's already here in this moment. And as you continue to breathe deeply, let each inhale bring in peace, and each exhale release any remaining tension. Feel your body supported, your mind at ease. Let the warmth of the light envelop you completely, creating a shield of tranquility that protects your inner calm from the chaos outside. And now take a moment to offer gratitude for this time you've given yourself. For the ability to pause, to reset, and to find peace. And know that this state of calm is something you can return to any time you need it. It's a part of you, accessible whenever you choose to reconnect. And now, as we bring this meditation session to an end, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the sensations of air filling your lungs. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, start to move your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. When you're ready, take another deep, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Know that you can carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. And remember, even amidst chaos, tranquility is just a breath away. Take this feeling of peace with you as you move forwards, and know that you can always return to this place of stillness. Thank you for joining this Tranquility Tuesday session. May the calm you've cultivated here continue to guide you through the week ahead. Remember, the peace you seek is always within you. And if you enjoyed this meditation, please like and subscribe and share to keep spreading the tranquility. And until next time, be kind to yourself and stay grounded.